Morning, Mr. Cat. Yes. Her name is Pumpkin. Jeez. Well, let's just making sure. Alright, everyone. Salutations again. Today I have a special guest with me, and if you could remember him from my earlier vlogs, if you watched him before then, his name is Charlie. And he's one of my greatest friends I've ever had. It's great. He actually went out to camping with me at Mount Lemon in Tucson. And how have you been doing so far? It's
pretty good.
Pretty good. Well, it's better than nothing, right? It's better than average.
Right.
Yeah, actually, him and I went out camping together. And I'll probably put the video like right here somewhere. But it's been, how long? Like 8 months? Almost a year since the last time we've seen each other.
Yeah.
So, I'm excited for this. This is great.
Alright.
I love this guy. I love you, bro. Well, come on, say something back, man.
I'm kind of shy, man. You might see me on YouTube doing some GoPro videos, but that's about it. So.
Well, I've always thought of you as being the same thing as you were back then. Like, you haven't changed much. Well, you've changed for the better.
Yeah.
Well, all of us are changing constantly throughout the motions of time. However, we just have to focus in the light and balance our walk, be positive as much as possible.
Right.
Sorry apologize for my voice. I've been sick. This bad. So like, yeah, people actually really liked you, Charlie, on it. They were asking like, what happened to you, you know?
Yeah.
So what happened? You become like shy or what?
No, I'm just not used to doing videos, that's all.
Oh, okay. What's the name of your channel for your GoPro?
It's Charles Van Enwick, but it's spelled different.
Alright, well, if you could write it down for me, I'll put it on a screen right here.
Okay. Yeah, I'll write it down.
Actually, we can walk around if you like. We're actually here at the Safford gun show. Well, obviously, you guys already know about it. And this is all desert out here. It's actually at a fairgrounds, Graham County Fairgrounds. And after the show, excited going out shooting, so it's more or less dry today. It's actually a little bit hot, a little warm compared to yesterday, but it's all right. What do you think?
It's a nice day.
What do you think about this new high-definition camera I got? Remember I was carrying around that old Sony cassette tape camera?
So you got a digital one now?
Yeah, got something a lot better, more of an upgrade now. Got a 64 gigabyte memory disk inside of here.
Yeah, I've only got an 8 gig in mine. I need to get a bigger one. I just haven't the money. That's the main thing that's been holding me back from the videos. I got a helmet-mounted camera now, so...
It's understandable. The economy's not that great right now anyway.
Oh, it's miserable.
Miserable. It's depressing. I have not seen Charlie for like 8 months or almost a year, so...
Yeah.
It's been such a long time. Actually missed hanging out with him, spending time. We just recently got back in contact right after that video I had made called like Dear Charlie.
Yeah. Yeah, you found me on YouTube. What's the one way you can find me?
YouTube. Oh, that's actually my uncle's brand new car. It's a Cadillac Escalade.
Oh, wow. Nice.
He used to have a black Hummer before that, a H2 version.
Yeah, all that's missing is the fuzzy dice.
Alright, everyone. Salutations as I welcome you with open arms to the second day of this adventure. And today, thus far, has been quite interesting, to say the least. I'm actually, to be honest, I'm extremely exhausted out of my mind, literally. And today was a rather slow day. A lot of people walking around, but no one really buying anything too much. But, however, always have to stay positive and stay focused in your mission in your purpose of this life, and to remain who you are as a human being and to accept yourself for who you are and stay positive. So exactly that's what I'm doing. And wanted to let everyone know and show you guys, if you have not seen it yet, my multi-purpose drop leg holster and my other Marine Corps issued vest here. So you can see here it's got the camel back. Has a camel back on the back of it, all Marine Corps issued as well. So we have an hour and a half of the show left. It's actually 2:35 as of right now, 14:30 hours, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today after this. I'd like to go out and get some ice cream somewhere, something that's like freezing, you know, something that's has a delicacy, a certain taste. Alright, everyone. Oh, that was bad. Hello, everyone. I'm still fighting with my sickness. Well, right now I'm at a restaurant here in Safford. It's called Casa Manana. So, interesting enough, we've got things like this here. It looks really nice. It looks like, actually looks like a little jungle or some sort. It looks like some Amazon thing here. You can see it all around me. It was a long day. I was actually asleep for an hour or so before I'd come here. So, going in.
What was that?
Right now, I'm not sure if you can see me or not.
What kind of match is it?
Fighting with my sore throat. So just speak over the. Doing good. Speak over the noise it is. Exhausted, crying, tired. So now I'm here at this restaurant called Casa Manana. Looking through the menu.
I want a Pepsi.
And
Well, I said you. I thought you said it was all in the back. I know what I want. I want a Corona. No lime or lemon. How about you?
I have Pepsi.
Special.
so I got
Can't remember what that was.
this salsa
That was,
chip, like dipping inside salsa sauce. I'm gonna try it.
What is that chip called? What is that chip called?
Winchester flour tortilla 57.
Next year, really good.
No, no, it'll be this year. It's going to be. When did we move here?
In August.
It was. It was the month after. It was the month after August.
Tap it spicy at
It was
first.
right before Adrian came down last year.
Hey everyone, so I got my
You don't like green chili?
whatever. I forgot the name of the drink already. But anyway, I just had gotten in my
You're holding for
food
some
right now.
Craving for that
And
cheese.
got some kind of
Put some
pearls with red bean and these some kind of like other like bean or something. Alright, I'll show you guys. This is amazing. This is great.
I like it. It's just
This
He
is
just wants straight cheese.
what I got here. And Nathan, what did you get?
The spicy machaca beef enchilada.
That's a lot of food.
And I'm gonna eat it all.
You're gonna eat that whole thing?
I'm a fatty.
He always gets machaca.
No, you're not fat.
You'll be hungry after you get done. These are different.
You have to try it. You never tried
Because
it.
this is way more spoons than we have at people at the table.
Well, this is the
It's like I burst.
dessert that I
My
got.
stomach's so.
Big, huge dessert. It's got like whipped cream, strawberry
Tell
topping,
us what it tastes like.
cheese.
scared.
It's supposed to be
It's really
kind of a
good.
cheesecake with the cherry on top. I'm gonna try that. Oh, it's actually really soft. You can cut through it really easy.
That's it. You gonna try it? Stop complaining about it. Try it. You gonna try it? Try it. You gonna try it? Here it goes. Dude, if you're trying it, I gotta try it. I gotta try it with one of these.
Watch the flame.
With one of these 100 forks.
It's a spoon.
Got this?
Actually leaves you speechless. This is really good.
Like it?
Oh yeah, I'm impressed with this. This is
Was it
great.
vanilla ice cream? Yeah.
Yeah, some kind of
They,
vanilla.
it feels like they use like graham cracker crust.
Kind of tastes a little pina colada in there.
It tastes like cinnamon and sugar to me.
Cinnamon sugar. Yeah, that's the word. Wow.
For some reason, I think I thought I was going to say it tastes like.
I had a chocolate banana one covered with banana.
You had a chocolate covered banana?
Frozen. Tastes alike.
What'd you have?
You want your rice and
Chocolate
beans?
covered banana.
So
Your
good.
rice and beans too?
Who got into that?
I'll put it in Nathan's.
At Disneyland.
You can put everything.
I'll put it in Nathan's fridge when I go.
Peanut butter is an apple, peanut
Yeah,
butter
so
is a
it doesn't
banana.
spoil.
I love peanut butter.
I like peanut butter.
Thank you. Oh man. Oh man, that's crazy. And I had this big dessert and this big plate full of this food.
Can't even move, Adrian. She got up and she said she can't move.
I can't even move. Get the dessert. So tomorrow's beginning day.
Too many people, y'all. Come on.
Tomorrow's beginning
It's really, it's something like that.
day 3.
Hey, Felipe. Uh-oh.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a grape of wine?
Yes, we do. That's how they do. You don't deserve a great fall. You don't deserve a great fall. It's an old commercial. Great fall. In a train. Which side? That side or this side? Which side? Left. Left side. I'll let you get up.
After Safeway.
Well, there's the mine. It's all lit up.
No, I just farted.
Is this? It's the mine
Drive my
right
truck. That
there.
thing's a piece of shit. But it's 97. It gets me back and forth to point A to point B, and we drove it up to Mesa.
What? He's just barking at me. Come on. Then keep barking.